Today we'll talk about how can you add your zip code on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on your name here. So when you click on your name, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to another list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on account settings. So when you click here on account settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on account preferences. So then come to this list here and you click here on name and location and industry here. So when you click on it, you come to this list and you come here to location in this country region. Just click on it, then here add your zip code in this list. So when you're down, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.